So uma size lapha ngokwakamoya kumele si-understand ukuthi into yomoya ihambisana kakhulu ne-energy, and i-energy is not only about ama-ancestors lawa as-affectayo ngama-energies wabo bese kuphazamiseka iy'mpilo zethu. I-energy is about everything else ekhona kwi-universe, because thina njengoba in the energy forms, we are spiritual beings occupying these bodies, but we are i-energy eyi-spirit thina. There is a whole lot of other things eziyi-energy emhlabeni, kahle kahle yonke into nje kwi-universe is energy. Kunama-celestial beings nawo as-affectayo nge-energy yawo. So when you look at your problems obhekene nawo, you need to understand ukuthi ama-problems akwenza ufile a certain way. Those feelings and emotions are as a result of a shift ebakhona kwi-universe. Wena bese ubona le problem obhekene nayo la phambi kwakho manje, uthole usehlamba umuntu usukume ngoba ubona ukuthi unenkinga yemali, xoshe emsebenzini, uxabana nabantu, uyazizwa ukuthi no man, I am vibrating very low manje because of my problems, but engiyibonayo manje engiyiphethe ngezandla inkinga yokuthi ngilahlekelwe umsebenzi or ngilahlekelwe umuntu wami engimthandayo. So all of these problems zistem from a whole lot of other things ezenziwa i-change kwi-energy, le energy ekwi-universe. Doesn't matter ukuthi yiphi inkinga onayo. So that is where lento yokuhlanganisa i-ancestral practice ne-astrology ihlangana khona, yenza ukuthi uthi go deep kuma-problems akho, ungawakhi at a surface. And when you understand ukuthi we are energy beings, when you really believe ukuthi we are spiritual beings occupying this body, then you understand ukuthi mina njengoba ngiyi-spirit nje, kumele ngizilaphe at a spiritual level, ngingazilaphi at a level ye-physical dimension yokuthi ngiwumuntu, I have this body. I-change eyenzekayo ing-affecta at a spiritual level, at an energy level. That is why mase nginenkinga ngiphatheka kabi, ama-emotions amashintshe. If we can try ukuthi sithi go deep kuleyo nto leyo, ushintshe indlela ofila ngayo at a molecular energy level, like bezama ukuyihlanganisa manje into ye-science nento yokulapha ama-problems esibhekene nawo emotionally. Because ama-chemical changes esinayo, wena senza sifile happy, wena phinda senze futhi sifile sad. That is why kungena izinto zo-breathwork meditation, because leyo nto iyaku-elevate. When you elevate above i-problem or above i-level yokuba depressed, yokuba unhappy, when you elevate above those levels, ama-problems alapha wakuthinti. It's all about elevation. So if you look at izinto zasemhlabeni with a broader view, for lack of a better term, uzibuke holistically, uyakwazi ukuthi uyibone ukuthi ihlanganaphi lento. But if wena usabona ukuthi into yama-ancestral problems, into yami nomzimba wami, i-stage yokusona nawe i-journey yakho, it's okay. But if you feel ukuthi I am at a stage where I understand that I'm not just this body, I am a spirit, and a spirit is universe, and there's a little particle of God inside of me, and I am part of the universe is part of me, everything is one, when you begin to flow ngaleyo ndlela, you really get it, you really understand ukuthi into yokuzelapha inkinga zethu ihlangana kanjani uma sizozelapha using both into ancestral practice nento yakwa-astrology. And it's okay, you can match the two. Also, you can choose one. It's up to you. You can choose ukuthi uyenze nge-ancestral route or uyenze nge-astrology kuphela. If uyithola i-results oyifunayo, then it's fine. And you can, but it's a matter of a personal choice. It's also a matter yokuthi wena ukephi in life, because asifani indlela esivibrate ngayo. We are vibrating so differently, all of us. We are so unique in ngendlela esivibrate ngayo sonke, akekho ofana nomunye. But it's a matter of just choosing that which resonates with you and do it.